Alright, so more examples, of course. Compound interest. Sam started an account in 2005 with $8,000. The account compounded the 12% interest annually. So the account compounded the 12% interest annually. What is the amount in 2016? So what is the amount in the account in 2016? Bear in mind, the account compounded the interest annually. So because the account compounded the interest annually, N is 1. Alright, if it had said monthly, N would have been 12. If it said quarterly, N would have been 4. If it said semi-annually, N would have been 2. But because it said compounded annually, N is 1. So please make a note of that. N equal 1. Because it's what? Compounded the 12% interest annually. This is the key right here, annually. Now, what's the time period? From 2005 to 2016, T is 11. Let me just rub that out, write it better. T is 11. From 2005 to 2016, you can put it in your calculator and subtract it. It's going to be 11. Alright. Let's now proceed with our calculation. So it's going to be 8,000 bracket 1 plus 0.12 divided by 1. We can write it, but it's neither here nor there. Raised to the power of 11 times 1. Alright, we get our calculator and we calculate this. It's going to be 1 plus 0.12 raised to the power of 11 multiplied by 8,000, which is going to be 27,828.40. There it is. Plain, straight, and simple. So our principal of 8,000 is accumulated using a compounding interest that compounds annually for 11 years. This is our result. Next example. James put $600 into a saving account that earns 6% per annum. Please excuse the poor writing at times. It earns 6% per annum, compounded quarterly. It has to tell you how it is compounded. When you're doing a compounding interest question, they must tell you how it is compounded, whether it is annually, quarterly, semi-annually, monthly. They have to tell you. Alright? So, how much is saved in 1 year, in 15 months, and in 2 years? That's 3 questions basically. So because it's compounded quarterly, we know our N is equal to 4. Cool? And we have 3 T's because we have to calculate the accumulated amount for 3 times. We have to calculate the accumulated amount 3 times for 3 different time periods. So for 1 T, it's going to be 1. Another T is going to be 15 divided by 12. And another T is going to be 2. So when calculating each of our accumulated values, The first one will be with t equal 1, t equal this, and t equal 2. However, in all cases, n will be 4. So let's do it now. Case number 1. How much is saved in 1 year? Let's do it. A equal 600 times 1 plus the interest rate of 0.06 divided by 4 raised to the 1 times n. 1 times 4 is equal to 1 plus 0. I'll throw in a bracket here. Divided by 4, close bracket. Is that correct? Yes, raise that to the power of 4 times 600. That's gonna be 636.82. They didn't ask for any interest, so we'll just leave it like that. However, if they did, the interest would be 36.82. Alright, because we just subtract the 600. Second question. How much is saved in 15 months? The time period will be this. 15 divided by 12 because we need it in years. Remember that. So it's going to be the exact same thing. Except it won't be 1. It's going to be 15 over 12 times 4. And this is simplified to 5. 15 divided by 12 times 4. 4 into itself goes 1 time. 4 into 12 goes 3 times. 4 into itself goes 1 time. 4 into 12 goes 3 times. So that cancels that. What's left is 3. 3 into 15 goes 5 times. Therefore, let's write it cleaner. 500. No, it's actually 600. 1 plus 0.06 over 4 raised to the power of 5 because this simplifies to 5. And this is equal to, we get our best friend, 1 plus bracket 0.06 divided by 4. Raise this to 5 times 600. Wonderful. And the last one, a bit easy. It's gonna be 600 2 times 4, which is gonna be equal to raised to the power of 8, of course, times 600. 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, and that's that. Yeah, that's it. That's it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to comment and send us emails. Alright? That's J2T. Stay tuned for a lot more.